What is a principal investigator? Because you guys hear me talk about that sometimes, or maybe you've seen it on my website. What an investigator does when we're seeking out approval from the FDA to get a new device to implant in your body, it has to be studied. It has to be investigated to make sure that it's safe and effective to be implanted in you. And so when companies are designing new discs and the FDA approves the disc for examination or evaluation, they select sites. I'm often chosen as a principal investigator, so I am the primary site. I'm able to bring in sub-investigators or other doctors that work underneath me, but we control the data evaluation to make sure it's very specific and accurate in evaluating these to make sure that they're safe and effective for you. Because I have them inside me, and I want them to be inside you, safe and effectively. So I usually interface as the principal investigator between the FDA and the companies to be sure you get the right treatment and you're getting something safe, effective, that will last a long time.